The secret to success in trading is that there is no secret. Making yourself a success in trading is just like success in anything else. It's a series of small steps. Start your morning routine today. Prepare yourself diligently for your day ahead. One small step. Do the same again tomorrow. Keep that routine going. Another small step. The same again the day after and the day after that. Consistency. Small steps. Take your time preparing your charts, dissecting the financial news. Another small step, again and again. Do your analysis, open a trade. The trade wins. It's another step. Do your analysis, open a trade. The trade loses. It's still a step. Even when you lose or fail at something, or when you realize your plan just isn't working, these are still steps. It's still progress. But the thing is, the progress in these steps is practically invisible. We don't even realize what's happening each and every day. We sometimes get caught up wasting time looking for something that will push us ahead quicker. But no, it's the same day after day. Another small step and another small step and another and another. Until some months or years down the line you take a look back at what you've done and realize that this series of small steps that you've taken have helped you climb a small mountain. Suddenly, the steps take on a new life for you. You realize each step is driving you closer to success. They have meaning, it's consistent, it's dependable, it's progress. It's time to conquer the next mountain. A bigger one this time. It's ambitious. You'll need to make a lot of progress this time, but now you're enjoying these small steps. You're even thinking to yourself every day, how can you fit in more small steps into this day? How can you make the most out of every step you take? It's just like lifting weights at the gym. You're not just going to wait for the reps that burn and push you, you're going to push yourself on every single rep. Every single step, every trade, every prep, every time you make a note in your journal and every time you assess a win or a loss, you're deliberately focusing on making each step count. But the question is, right now, are you willing to stay disciplined and focused, step after every repetitive step, step after every boring step? What are you going to do today